to talk a little bit about using blocks. And the nice thing about a yoga block, the way they make them, is that they're both really lightweight. Like I can just toss them. They're really light and really firm. So they're both lightweight and they can support your weight, which is sort of their nice combination. So you can actually get 3 different heights from a block. So a yoga block can be used really in lots and lots of different ways. So like I said, it's firm enough that it can support your weight without a problem. But like say you're in a squat, malasana is this pose. You can use this as a support under your hips so that it takes pressure off your knees, which feels better to me. That can be used as an arm extender. Like if you're doing a twist in this squat, you can use your hand on the block. I like doing that because my hands don't quite reach when I'm up this high anyway. I have really short arms, so I like things that extend my arms, but your arms might be longer proportionally than mine are. In a triangle pose. So again, triangle, my legs are wide. I have the block in my hand in this particular case. I'll move that one out of the way. In this pose, you bring your arm down, and often what you'll do is reach for the ground. Like this is how that would be cued without a block. And I can reach the floor. My hips will allow it, but it gets my hips pretty crunchy. So I actually like using this, and it actually lets my heart open more and really allows more of an extension if I have like what is the equivalent of a longer arm, and I can lean a little bit into that block. And then finally, you can use it kind of as resistance. So another way is to put the block, in this case, I'm putting it between my upper thighs, and like a way of pushing in. So you might do this in, say, a chair pose as a way of getting the feeling of bringing your thighs together, which is, these are just a couple of examples. And